electrical wiring. Connect to here, simply excellent broadband Wi-Fi signal. This is a Tp-link Av1200 Gigabit Passthrough Powerline AC Wi-Fi Kit. The model is TL-WPA8630P Kit. Can you see the P here? The model with P is pass-through. Okay. Pass-through means the adapter comes with built-in power socket. This is the power socket. If the model without the P, it not come with built-in power socket. Why we want to use this power line? Because we want the Wi-Fi for the whole home, especially for the Wi-Fi dead spot. Means that the area that totally no Wi-Fi signal or very weak signal. Some more, we don't want to lay network cable all over the house. With this Tp-link power line, we can make use our existing power cable as the network cable, and you also can support our single phase or three phase electric power. Okay, let's open the box and have a look. Come with two power line adapter. The smaller size power line adapter. Okay, this is the one. This is the model. This model is TL-PA8010P. Okay. It comes with one LAN port. This is the LAN port, and is connect to our home router using Ethernet cable, and it doesn't have Wi-Fi. And this one, the model is TL-WPA8630P. It comes with three LAN port. This is the three LAN port. Okay, and I also provide broadband Wi-Fi signal. Broadband Wi-Fi signal, which is 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. Okay, what you do is you just plug in to the wall plug that near the area which is a very weak Wi-Fi signal. Okay, take a look at this diagram. This is our home router. And existing, you already provide us this 5 GHz signal is blue, and orange color is a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Okay, and this one is a Ethernet cable, is connect to this power line adapter. The power line adapter is a PA8010P. This is the one. Okay, this is a LAN port. Okay, connect to our existing Wi-Fi router. From here you can see this is the orange line, means that it's using our electrical wiring, our existing electrical wiring. Okay, so from here, and we plug in this power line adapter. This model is TL-WPA8630P. This is the one, and this is a 3-LAN port. 3-LAN port, we can connect to TV or any devices using the LAN cable. And for this adapter, okay, also provide dual band Wi-Fi signal. Dual band Wi-Fi signal means blue color is 5 GHz and orange color is 2.4 GHz. Okay, so we already know that, okay, all the time this area cannot get the Wi-Fi signal or very weak Wi-Fi signal. Okay, right now you can get the excellent Wi-Fi signal. Connect to here, simply choose one. Pairing. Pairing X630. Okay, successfully paired. Tp-link. This too is a new SSID. Let's log in. Password we can get it from the Wi-Fi info card. Turn at the back, there is a password. It's connected. Yeah. No Wi-Fi signal, weak Wi-Fi signal, Wi-Fi that exports, or overcome. Just using Tp-link Powerline. You can boot up easily the Wi-Fi signal.